Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. There are just so many great personal finance gurus out there. Some of my favorites got to be Dave Ramsey and Stephen Graham. Well, most of these gurus use experience to share with you what has worked for them. The issue with experience is that there is very little facts to base your decision on. The danger in doing that is that decisions can be made emotionally and without the proper facts. So I implore you to get the facts first. By continuing to use experience over facts, serious consequences can occur. Did you know that the average debt of millennials is around $78,000 in the United States? From CNBC, who recently surveyed a wide range of Americans, this is what kinds of debt each generation of Americans have in debt. It's super easy to get into more debt by letting someone who is experienced to give you advice. It's super easy to get into more debt by letting someone who is experienced to give you advice. It's super easy to buy into those ideas where they say, buy this, and I promise you that will make you tons of money without knowing the full details. So, let me warn you now that finding someone with proper credentials is important. This is where Daddy Dad comes in. I'm more than just your everyday dad. I'm jam-packed with engineering knowledge and skills which I've applied to the world of personal finance. Think of me as the millionaire dad. In my future videos, I'm going to simplify complex engineering concepts into easy to learn ideas. Then I will show how you can apply these easy to learn engineering concepts in the personal finance world. This way, all your financial decisions you make will be professionally informed decisions. Out with the emotion and in with the math. I will show you how an everyday dad, in the perspective of an engineer, think about personal finance. Some of these things I love to do is create Excel spreadsheets with super complex formulas that aren't widely used. These formulas include things like standard deviation and normalization. I will explain in further detail in easy to understand ideas of what these things are. Other formulas will have statistics and probability to help you minimize risk. I built many property analysis tools as well to calculate cash-on-cash return. Cash-on-cash return is important because it will ultimately help you decide which houses are good deals. My spreadsheets also analyze stocks. The best feature out of all of them, however, is the budgeting spread. This helps me with a quick glance at the health of my finances. It also tells me what my net worth is. Isn't that great? The other part of engineering that I want to bring into personal finance is that I'm a programmer. I write a bunch of programs for robots and a bunch of nice controls for them in Python. What does that mean really? Well, if I can get robots to move, I can get your personal finance to move as well. Using Python, I've made many programs that will help you run through a bunch of scenarios of what if you do this and what if you do that, and you can compare the two options before you. You can also optimize your investments quickly using these tools. It's so simple and effective. Make sure you get your hands on them. So to get these spreadsheets and Python tools, make sure you join the Daddy Dat Facebook group, which is free to join. I've included a bunch of links in that group to download all these files from. It's free to join, and we've had many good discussions on these topics of personal finance. I highly encourage everyone to join, to share stories and ask questions and contribute to the world of personal finance. The other thing to do right now is to subscribe to the Daddy Dat channel. Over the coming videos, I will teach you how to use my spreadsheets and the other tools so that you can make financially sound decisions and be a personal finance master. By using these tools, my hope is that it will improve your personal finance. It has already helped so many others by following a few simple things like the ASH method, keeping your budget track on my Excel spreadsheets, saving time by using my automated investment tools. It will quickly help you become a millionaire like myself, or at least 95% of the way there. The ultimate goal for me is to share my experiences and knowledge so that you can reach that dream home that you've always wanted. Travel the world guilt-free and become financially independent and retire early. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.